Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in Messages, in Notes, in the browser, wherever you want to actually just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find them here for some reason, no worries, three dots icon, tap on Got It, and you will find them here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this position to have much faster access to them. So let's enter the settings as I said, and tap on the languages at the very top. Here we've got the list of the languages which are currently applied. So let's tap on Add Keyboard because we've got only English. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. And let me find the Urdu one, for example, in order to show you the example. So let me tap on it. And here, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap. And again, depending on the language, you will have different keyboard types. In my case, in Urdu language, we've got three different types. So we've got kind of, let's say, normal, we've got the Urdu one, so the graphical one, and the handwriting. Sometimes you will be able to pick up to 5 different keyboard types or only one. As I said, it depends. So in order to pick particular mode, pick particular type, just tap on it. It will be marked. Let me untick this option because I just want to use this one. So let's tap on Done, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here, basically, right now we've got only one difference. So we've got this globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Urdu one. And here we've got another difference. So the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So here we've got the Urdu, and after tapping on the globe icon again, we've got the English one. So basically, and this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to have one. So then let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we'd like to remove, and I will pick Urdu one and tap on the trash bin icon. Again, we've got only English, so let's go back to the keyboard and check. And here as you can see, the spacebar is empty and we do not have the language key, which simply means that we can only type in English. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your INFINIX Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.